Picture this, a virtual universe where you can roam freely through interconnected games, exploring captivating landscapes and unearthing valuable treasures. But this is not just any gaming experience, oh no. This is Treasure, a decentralized gaming platform that has captured the hearts of adventurers worldwide. And with its native token, Magic, the adventure gets even more thrilling. Treasure is a decentralized, open, and immersive virtual reality platform, or metaverse, that connects users, creators, and developers from around the world. It allows anyone to create, explore, and monetize their own virtual worlds and experiences using blockchain technology. In today's video, we're gonna embark on an interesting journey through the world of Treasure and its enchanting token, Magic. So buckle up, grab your virtual gear, and get ready to delve into a metaverse brimming with excitement, innovation, and boundless possibilities. To understand Treasure, we need to start with its origin. The blockchain project was launched in September 2021 as a derivative of the popular Loot project. As a result, Treasure's native non-fungible tokens, known as treasures, are deeply integrated into the Loot ecosystem. However, Treasure quickly paved its path, becoming a standalone project built on Arbitrum, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. But what exactly sets Treasure apart? It's all about their vision and mission. Treasure aims to be a hub for decentralized metaverses where communities can come together to create captivating stories and vibrant economies. The project is governed by the Treasure DAO, which comprises 1,000 staked Magic holders. These community members play a crucial role in decision-making, such as onboarding new projects, distributing Magic tokens, and even negotiating revenue-sharing agreements for the marketplace. Furthermore, the Treasure Council, consisting of dedicated DAO members, executes the project's vision. Behind every successful project, there's a dedicated team driving it forward. Treasure is no exception. The project has 3 co-founders, John Patton, Karel Vuong, and Garp. Another interesting attribute of Treasure is its community-driven nature. Team members are selected from the Treasure community, ensuring that the project remains open and inclusive. In fact, community members can build alongside the team and earn Magic tokens for their contributions. Now, funding is an essential aspect of any ambitious project, and Treasure has seen remarkable support from strategic investors. The project raised an impressive $3.5 million in September 2022 through a token sale, attracting notable participants such as Digital Strategies Guild, Arbitrum, and 1KX. Treasure sold about 15 million Magic tokens in this token sale round and locked the tokens for a year to prevent investors from dumping or manipulating volatility. These investments have enabled the Treasure DAO to scale the project and fuel its ambition roadmap. Treasure has already achieved significant milestones in its short lifespan. They've established a thriving DAO, migrated to Arbitrum, launched their NFT marketplace called Trove, integrated Chainlink's price oracles, and rolled out Magic Swap, an automated market maker or AMM protocol. While a comprehensive roadmap is yet to be published, the founders envision a future when Treasure builds its own app-specific chain, unlocking even greater potential for the ecosystem. Now that we have a good understanding of Treasure's background and vision, let's explore how this platform actually works. At its core, Treasure revolves around 3 main layers: cartridges, communities, and infrastructure. These layers form the foundation for an immersive and interconnected gaming experience. Let's start with cartridges. Cartridges are the heart and soul of the Treasure ecosystem. These cartridges are basically games and metaverses that have been developed on the platform. Bridge World, Treasure's flagship game, takes center stage when talking about cartridges. In this game, players can earn Magic rewards and unique in-game assets by completing quests, battling enemies, and exploring the virtual world. But Treasure isn't limited to a single game. It aims to host multiple cartridges, each with its own unique gameplay and mechanics. These cartridges are developed by both the Treasure team and external developers, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of diverse gaming experiences. Moving on to the second layer, we have communities. Communities are groups of players who come together to create and govern their own metaverses within the Treasure ecosystem. These communities have the power to shape their virtual worlds, design gameplay mechanics, and establish their own rules and economies. They can mint and distribute their own NFTs, organize events, and collaborate on cross-community initiatives. By empowering communities, Treasure aims to unleash the creativity and collective intelligence of its users. It provides the tools and infrastructure necessary for communities to thrive and build their own unique virtual spaces. This decentralized approach ensures that the power lies in the hands of the players, enabling a truly player-driven gaming experience. The third layer, infrastructure, forms the backbone of the Treasure ecosystem. It includes various components such as smart contracts, decentralized storage, marketplace integration, and interoperability protocols. These technical building blocks provide a foundation for seamless interactions between cartridges and communities, ensuring a smooth and interconnected metaverse experience. Additionally, Treasure embraces open standards and interoperability. It allows users to freely move their assets and characters between different cartridges and metaverses within the ecosystem. This interoperability opens up endless possibilities for cross-game collaborations, shared economies, and a truly interconnected metaverse experience. Now let's talk about the Magic Token and its role within Treasure. Treasures, those unique NFTs we mentioned earlier, are the key to mining Magic Tokens. In the early days, users could deposit loot NFTs and other tokens in Magic Farm, Treasure's native DeFi project, to earn magic. While Magic Farm has since closed down, the Magic Token continues to be the lifeblood of the Treasure ecosystem. Magic, being the native utility token of the Treasure ecosystem, serves as the primary medium of exchange within the platform, enabling various interactions and transactions. Also, Magic is an ERC20 token designed to be deflationary. The maximum supply is around 347 million tokens, but at the time of this video, approximately 61% of that was already in circulation, amounting to roughly 215 million tokens. To distribute the tokens, the Treasure team allocated 33% to the Treasure Farm, 25% to mining, 17% to staking, 15% to the ecosystem fund, and 10% to the team. This distribution ensures a fair and balanced ecosystem where different stakeholders play a vital role. Here's a closer look at some of the key use cases for the Magic Token. Governance. Magic holders have the power to participate in the governance of the Treasure ecosystem. As we mentioned earlier, holders can propose and vote on key decisions, such as protocol upgrades, community initiatives, and revenue-sharing arrangements. Rewards and incentives. By participating in gameplay, contributing to the ecosystem, or staking their tokens, users can earn magic as rewards. These rewards act as an incentive for active participation and engagement within the Treasure metaverse. Marketplace transactions. The Magic Token is used for buying, selling, and trading in-game assets, NFTs, and other virtual items on the Treasure marketplace, Trove. It facilitates peer-to-peer transactions and ensures a seamless and secure trading experience. Staking and DAO membership. Users can stake their Magic Tokens to become part of the Treasure DAO and gain additional benefits and access to exclusive features and events. Currently, you can find Magic listed on some of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase. Now that we've covered the technical details of Treasure and Magic, let's discuss the pros and cons of the ecosystem. Starting with pros, one of the most exciting aspects of Treasure is the interoperability between its different games. This means you can seamlessly move your in-game assets across multiple games and metaverses, combining your gaming experience like never before. Game developers also benefit from the Treasure infrastructure to provide a more immersive experience for players. Another big advantage of Treasure's ecosystem is the play-to-earn, or P2E model. It's no longer just about gaming for fun. Now you can earn real value while playing. By utilizing NFTs within Treasure's games, players can own in-game items that can be sold for potential profits. Treasure is driven by its vibrant community. From early adopters to avid gamers, everyone has a say in shaping the ecosystem. It's all about collective decision-making and giving power to the people. While Treasure offers incredible opportunities, we want to address a few potential cons as well. One potential challenge, especially for beginners, is the sheer versatility of the Treasure platform. With its marketplace, network of games, and exchange, it can be overwhelming at first. You might find yourself unsure of where to start or how to navigate through all the available options. Another area where beginners may face some complexity is staking on Bridge World. While staking can be a fantastic way to earn additional rewards, it may initially require a bit of a learning curve. Understanding the staking process, selecting the right options, and managing your stake tokens effectively can take some time and effort. Regardless, these challenges are not pressing enough to affect the growth trajectory of Treasure. As blockchain gaming continues to chip away at the dominance of traditional gaming platforms, Treasure is one of the industry's favorites for success. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos.